A very good morning to all of you. MSc Final Inorganic Special. All students, warm welcome on my YouTube channel, our chemistry class. And we are in the unit of the photochemistry. This is the modern photochemistry, and today we discuss on acid base strength. Acid and base strength. Electronic distribution in excited states is very often different from ground states. We know already that electronic distribution in excited state is very often different from ground states. It means S0 and S1s are different in electronic distribution. That is, acidic or basic character develops in them or undergoes a change. For instance, dissociation constant of phenol is different in ground state and excited state. Dissociation constant of phenol is different in S0, S1, T1. This difference can be detected easily in few cases due to the fact that fluorescence from phenol occurs at different wavelength than corresponding phenoxide. We know that phenol prepare a phenoxide, so phenol is acidic behavior shows if light is absorbed by some phenol and excited states is strong acid, dissociation occurs and phenoxide fluorescence is visible. Through adjustment of pH, dissociation constant of excited state can be measured. Dissociation constant of few phenols, carboxylic acid and amines are shown below. In the table, compounds S0, this is ground state, and S1 is excited state, and T2, T1 is also triplet excited state. First upon a OH group aromatic compound. S0 is pKa. It means acidic behavior. In S0, this is the ground state, and pKa value is 9.5. But S1 is 3.0 and T1 is also 8.1. And carboxylic acid, that is the ground state 4.2 and S1 excited state 6.6 and T1 is 4.0. And amines, that is 4.1 minus 2.0 and 3.3. This is the pK value of excited state. S1 is minus 2.0. Value is undergoes to negative. There are changes in pKa between S0 and S1 which indicate major changes in electron densities. The pKa of triplet states are more closer to ground state. Here you see already that this is equal to this is equal. Then we can say that S0 is T1. Triplet states of cyclohexane and cycloheptane which do not undergo cis-trans isomerization protonate easily, that is, they are slightly basic. Very weak acid like methanol protonate them. Sensitized irradiation of cyclic alkene in methanol provides useful synthetic method for the ether. This is the toluene. This is the substitute of cyclohexene, methyl substitute of cyclohexene, methyl derivative of cyclohexene. This is the dimethylbenzene. To form this compound by methyl alcohol. Interfindacy of carbonium ion is indicated by the fact that typical carbonium ion rearrangements have been observed in appropriate cases. That is shown reaction. This is the carbonium ion. This is the carbonium ion. Now this is the acid base strength. Now we discuss on reactivity. Photochemical reaction take place through the intermediacy of radical, mono or diradical, which are highly reactive and bring about a number of photochemical reactions. Few categories of photochemical reactions are discussed below. That is the photochemical reactions. This is the photooxidation, photoreduction, photochemical aromatic substitution, photochemical fragmentation, photochemical cyclization, photoaddition, and cis-trans isomerization. All reactions are present in photooxidation. Photochemical oxidation may produce number one peroxy compound and second is oxidative coupling of aromatic compound. Photochemical oxidation in peroxy compound. Peroxy compounds can be obtained by the irradiation parent organic compound in presence of oxygen and a sensitizer. Sensitizer produced its triplet states through irradiation, which is either abstract of hydrogen atom from substrate to give radical followed by reaction with oxygen, or B is the activate the oxygen molecule. That is A is oxidation of secondary alcohol to give the hydroperoxide in presence of benzophenone sensitizer. This is the alcohol and this is the benzophenone. This is the triplet state in benzophenone, and to form this compound also have free radical and free radical react with oxygen. This step is known as the oxidation step. Free radical react with oxygens and to form this compound. This is the peroxide. This free radical propagate the chain reaction. In this reaction, first step is the chain initiation, and after that the chain propagation, and last is the chain termination. Last step is the hydroxy eliminate H2O2 and yield carbonyl compound. This is you see that the carbonyl compound. Now in the second step, in case sensitizer activates O2 oxygen by interacting with triplet oxygen molecule, that is the ground state oxygen. The singlet oxygen is produced excited state of the O2 and sensitizer returns to ground state S0. One O2 directly react with organic substrate, that is the cyclohexadiene, and this is one O2. One O2 is the ground state. and to form the peroxide. This reaction is Diels-Alder type reaction. Oxidative coupling of aromatic compound. Cis or trans steel beam, in absence of oxygen, give equilibrium mixture of two, but in presence of oxygen, phenanthrene is obtained. This is the important reaction. Presence of oxygen, phenanthrene. Absence of oxygen, to form or to give equilibrium mixture of the two. Now we discuss photoreduction. Carbonyl compounds give 1,2-diol and alcohol upon irradiation in presence of hydrogen donating compounds. During the reaction, triplet state of carbonyl compounds is involved, which abstract H atom from hydrogen donating compound. Carbonyl compound gives 1,2-diol and alcohol upon irradiation in presence of hydrogen donating compound. During the reaction, triplet state of carbonyl compounds is involved, which abstract H atom from hydrogen donating compound. This is the carbonyl compound and activated by H nu to form free radical, and after that react with the alkane and to form hydroxy compound. The radical first is combined to 2-diol. This is the radical first and combined diol. Or radical first is abstract H atom from the solvent. That is the R2COH and RH, R2CHOH and R dash. Reaction second is flavored if R dash radical is stabilized, like a case of tertiary radicals, but reaction first, that is coupling reactions occur if R has stabilizing group is like alkyl group. Orthoalkyl substitute aromatic ketones undergoes intramolecular hydrogen abstraction to yield enol tautomer. This is the triplet and this is the triplet also, hydrogen by hydrogen transfer and spin inversion. Photochemical aromatic substitution. Charge distribution in ground state and excited states are different. Charge distributions are different in GS and ES. This fact may be taken use of in controlling positional selectivity in nucleophilic aromatic substitution. This is the orthomethoxy nitro compound, aromatic nitro compound, and react with OH in presence of H nu and react of OH in presence of thermal. This is the different. First is in the first reactions you see that one step complete by thermal and second step complete by photon, and compounds is prepare this. Nitro and methoxy aromatic compounds react with OH in presence of H nu and to form this compound and prepare a NO2 minus ion, and in presence of H nu react with CN and prepare a cyano compound and remove a hydride ion. Next, fragmentation, photochemical, discuss in next lecture. Please students, prepare your notes by the help of the PDF and learn and write assignment after the learn the topic, and observe and follow advice of the central and state government of COVID-19, and use always SMS. S means social distance, M means mask, and S for sanitizer. Thank you so much.